Hello friends, welcome back again to Sapima tutorial. In our lesson today, we want to solve these cases of undefined expressions on the board. Observing from here, you discover that this is linear function, this is quadratic, and this is quadratic. So we are asked to find the values of x for which the expressions or fractions are undefined. So sit cute as I demystify them one after the other. So let's start with number one. Now, for an expression to be undefined, that expression has to be over zero. I mean, when you have a fraction. If I have 2 over 0, this expression is undefined. So what we are actually looking in a sense is what can we do to this denominator to make sure that everything here is a 0. All right. So what you need to do is to take the denominator, x squared plus x minus 6. Find the values of x, the values you can substitute into x so that this equation becomes a 0. I will equate it to 0. Then let's factorize. To factorize, we have our product as negative 6 and our sum as positive 1. That is the coefficient of x. So what numbers can I multiply to get negative 6? I'll add the same two numbers to have a positive 1, the coefficient of x. That should be 3 and negative 2. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. 3 plus minus 2 is 1, coefficient of x. So open two brackets, write x plus 3, write x minus 2, this is negative, equals 0, all right? So let's find the value of x from here. We'll have x plus 3 to be equal to 0. Then this, x minus 2 to be equal to 0. So make x the subject here. That means x is equal to negative 3. Make x subject here. That means x is a positive 2. So the value of x that will make this equation to become 0 will either be negative 3 or a positive 2. Let's try it. Let's put a negative 3 here and see what we have. Minus 3 squared plus 3 minus 6. So this is minus 3. So minus 3 squared would give us 9. Plus times minus is minus. Then bring this guy down. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. So I have 9 minus 9, which is 0. You can try that with 2 also. Put 2 here, you will get a 0. So the value of x that will make this expression to become an undefined expression is negative 3 or 2. Let's try that with this equation. For this one, we have to equate it to 0 as well. X minus 3 equals 0. Now, this case has been factorized already, right? So equate this to 0, equate this to 0. X minus 3 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. Make x subject here. Make x subject here. That means x is positive 3. X is positive 3. So the value of x that will make this expression to become undefined is positive 3. Let's try this. We have 6 over, put 3 here, 3 minus 3. Put 3 here, 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we have 6 over 0. So anytime you have a fraction over 0, it is undefined. So I'll leave you to try out this because this is quadratic. You need to factorize this. Meanwhile, I'll solve this because it is linear. Take the denominator, 3x minus 12 equate to 0. Make x the subject. I have 3x equals 12. Then divide both sides by 3. We have x to be what? 4. So 4 is the value of x that when I put it here, this expression becomes 0. That is 2 into 4 minus 7 over 3 into 4 minus 12. Multiply here. this gives us 8 minus 7 over 12 minus 12. And 12 minus 12 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. So we have 1 over 0. So whenever you have anything over 0, that expression is undefined. So the value is 4. All right. So solve this one as an assignment. Drop your answer in the comment section. I will have it. And thank you so much for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share it to your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.